Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing good. This is NZDCAD and we are on the 4 hours time frame. Actually, I'm gonna share with you a pretty interesting topic. This video, I'll be talking to you on how to spot a fake breakout of a pattern, the triangle pattern. Right now, we have this amazing, very nice, perfect triangle pattern, and as you can see, we had the break above the resistance area, which is exactly what the book says about forex trading. When the triangle is breaking, and you see or you witness the breakout above it, probably the price will continue to the upside. As you can see, this is not what happened. What happened is that the price, after it break the area of resistance and made a great breakout, it moved to the upside pretty strongly, and then boom, we had this very strong bearish price action candlestick, and also it happens to break the small trend line we have in the triangle. So we have two breakout right now on this triangle. Which one is the fake one and which one is the right one? I would tell you that whenever you use a pattern to enter a trade, make sure you enter in the retest. Do not enter once the breakout happened. Just enter in the retest. So as you can see, we had this great breakout, but no retest so far until this very big bearish price action. For me, I waited for the retest, and thank God I didn't enter after the breakout, because it was obviously a fake breakout. The right entry should be after a retest. So after the price made this bearish price action, I can tell you that New Zealand CAD will not continue to the downside, to the upside. Sorry, it will move to the downside. Why? Because we have this breakout of the trend line we have on the rectangle. Sorry, in the triangle. And also, if we moved to the daily sorry, to the daily time frame. What is wrong? To the daily time frame, we would see that already the price was standing at a strong area of resistance. And if you measured the wave with your Fibonacci tool from this top to this bottom, you would see that it moved from the 78 fib level. So you have very multiple reasons for the price to move to the downside instead of moving to the upside. The area of resistance also is pretty strong. The green block, this one, as you can see, it's very strong area for the price. So there is no confirmation for the price to move to the upside. We have multiple reasons to tell you that the price will go to the downside. So the only signal we had was just the breakout to the upside without retest. So when we have multiple reasons that shows you that the price will continue in a certain direction, and you think that the pattern confirms that the price will move to the upside, this is not true. Make sure you enter a trade with very strong and good entry reasons. Make sure to always use the retest in your trades. Retest is a very good confirmation. Retest tells you that yes, this strong area, I broke it. Once I break it, I have to go back and touch it again. Once I do this, it will give me a boost to continue either to the upside or the downside. So for me, my strategy is that I waited for the retest. No retest had happened, and then we had this breakout to the downside. And it happens that the price came back again under the area of resistance, which is also a very good strategy to enter. Once the price break a resistance area, then come back again below it, make sure you enter on the retest, because it means it was just a fake breakout, a fake move to the opposite side, just to take stop losses. This is a very famous move from the market makers, a very common actually in forex market. You have fake signals just to take out the stop losses of the traders, the small traders, and then it will continue to the downside. So this is my idea, and this is my thoughts on how to trade a triangle pattern. And for me, I'm gonna wait for a retest on this pair. My entry on this trade will be 0.82700. This will be a perfect area to enter a sell trade, as the price will retest the area of resistance, will retest the trend line that it broke, and then it will continue to the upside, to the downside. I will put my stop loss around 60 pips, and my target will be 200 pips. So I hope you guys like this video and benefit from it. Share your thoughts with me in the comments, and trade safe everybody. I'll see you in the next idea.